you want to order wallpaper, but you don't know where to begin and don't want to make a mistake because wallpaper is very expensive. If this is you, watch this video. Step number 1, go to the wall covering section on our website and order samples to your house. Pick out your wallpaper. And if you have any questions at that point about how to select a wallpaper, you can always reach out to Sierra at sisterparishdesign.com. I'm putting her email here. She helps all of our design enthusiast clients. So that's your first step. Pick your wallpaper. Step number 2, find a paper hanger and invite him over to take measurements. Step number 3, give the paper hanger all the information on the wallpaper so that he can tell you how much he needs. You might be thinking to yourself, what information does the paper hanger need in order to give me an accurate amount of goods to order? This is what he needs. He needs to know how the wallpaper is packaged. Our wallpaper is sold by the 5-yard roll. It is packaged in a 10-yard roll. That means that when it arrives, you'll have a box and all the wallpaper will be rolled up tight in these little sections, kind of like wrapping paper. And each little roll will be 10 yards long, tightly wrapped together. So you need to tell the paper hanger that it is packaged in a 10-yard roll. You also have to tell the paper hanger that it does not arrive pre-trimmed. Our wallpaper is hand screened, and on each side of the pattern, there's a little bit of white space that he's gonna have to trim off. You need to make sure to tell him that. So that's what you need to tell your wallpaper hanger when he comes to measure. He can then give you a price to install it, and he can also tell you whether you need to have a painter come or if he can do the prep work for the walls. Because before you hang wallpaper, there needs to be some prep work done. The walls have to be prepped for paper. It's a special primer that he or a painter will need to do before he applies the wallpaper to the walls. So that's what you need to talk to him about so you get an accurate amount of goods. I also recommend showing him the wallpaper that he's going to be installing so he knows what it looks like. I just think that's important. If he's not preparing the walls for paper, ask him what type of primer he wants the painter to use. He might have a specific type of primer that he likes for wallpaper, and just ask him to text you or email you a picture of the can. That's what I do, so I don't make a mistake. Okay, so now you have your price for the wallpaper hanger, your price for the painter, which might also be the wallpaper hanger, and you know how much product you need. So now it's time to go onto the website and check if the wall covering's in stock. If it's in stock, you're in luck. You just place your order and it'll ship immediately. If it's not in stock, I really recommend emailing Sierra at sisterparishdesign.com. She will help you and she will tell you when there's more stock coming in. So then you can then schedule your wallpaper hanger and you can install it. And then ta-da! You have a wallpapered room.